Hello students, welcome back. I am going to discuss chapter 2, Principles of Management, topics 4 principle given by Frederick Winslow Taylor.
First principle, science not rule of thumb. In this principle, Taylor said that there must be thinking before doing the work, that is, trial or error method or hit and miss method should not be taken. Instead, scientific and research method should be adopted in the organization for performing any activity. In an organization, the rule of thumb can be seen as the dictatorship of manager which should be avoided. An example of rule of thumb is general guideline that you do not wear white after Labor Day. Second principle, harmony not discord. According to this principle, there should be complete harmony and proper understanding between management and workers, and they should work together for organizational goals. Management and workers should transform their thinking. Example, instead of fighting over distribution of profit, they must focus on increase it. For this, workers should work hard to raise the profit and management should share the increased profit with workers. Third principle, corporation not individualism. In this principle, doing the work jointly or union towards achieving the same results. This principle states that the work should be done in cooperation with mutual confidence. Employee and management should cooperate with each other. Example, management can involve workers in determining the work standards. It will increase the involvement of workers and they will perform more effectively. Fourth principle, development of workers to their greatest efficiency and prosperity. According to this principle, management should aim to develop workers to their greatest efficiency and prosperity. The increase in efficiency will benefit both the worker and the organization. Nowadays, companies send their employee to attend seminar for mutual growth of employees.